morning students. In yesterday's class we have seen National Small Scale Industrial Development Corporation. Okay, today we are going to see what is Mudra Bank. Okay, now this Mudra Bank जो है, okay, this is the sixth developmental financial institution of India. Okay, now this Mudra Bank was set up under the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana scheme. Okay, याद रखो, it was set up under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana scheme. So it will provide its service to small entrepreneurs outside the service area of regular banks by using last mile agent. Okay, about 5.77 crores, that is 57.7 million small business have been identified as target clients using NSSO survey of 2013. Okay, तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने फाइंड आउट किया कि स्मॉल बिजनेस बहुत सारे हैं एंड दे नीड टू बी फंडेड. ओके, और उनको फंड कौन प्रोवाइड करेगा? दैट इज मुद्रा बैंक विल प्रोवाइड सर्विसेज टू द स्मॉल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आउटसाइड द सर्विस एरिया ऑफ रेगुलर बैंक. जो कमर्शियल बैंक है उनको बहुत सारे रिस्ट्रिक्शंस रहते हैं. दे हैव टू एक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द गाइडलाइंस विच इज़ लेड बाय द RBI. अगर RBI ने दिस एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को अगर दे हैव सम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस देन दे कांट डू, then in that place Mudra Bank will take the place of the commercial bank and they will try to help the they will try to provide services to the small entrepreneurs. Okay, so here only ये जो है, ये जो मुद्रा बैंक है, what they do, they will provide services to the small entrepreneurs, but here जो regular bank जो है, they will provide only 4% of the businesses to get finance from the regular bank. Okay, so the bank will ensure that the clients do not fall into the in debt and will lend responsibly. Okay, so here the bank have an initial corpus of how much? 20,000 crore. Okay, and a credit guarantee of 3,000 crore. So here bank जो है it will function. Okay, जो function है it will function as a non-banking It will function as a non-banking financial company and a subsidiary of Small Industrial Development Bank of India. Okay, that is SIDBI. So it is a subsidiary of what? It is a subsidiary of financial company plus it's a Small Scale Industrial Development Bank of India. So here this was starting it was like that, but later it was separated company. Okay, it is also serves as a regulator for other microfinance in the situation that is माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशंस करके यो माना जाता है. सो प्रोवाइड देम रीफाइनेंसिंग सर्विसेज ऑल्सो. इट विल प्रोवाइड गाइडलाइंस for microfinance industries and give them the rating. The bank will classify its client into 3 categories. Okay, so that is and the maximum allowed loan sum will be based on those categories. So there are 3 categories that are there and according to that category वो लोग क्या करेंगे? they will grant the loan. Okay, so here micro units जो है sorry, माइक्रो यूनिट डेवलपमेंट एंड रीफाइनेंसिंग एजेंसी. ओके, सो उन्होंने क्या किया? मुद्रा को लॉन्च किया. वाई दे हैव लॉन्च? सो दैट दे प्रमोट फंड एंड प्रमोट माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशंस विच वुड टर्न प्रोवाइड लोन टू द स्मॉल एंड वेनरेबल सिलेक्शंस ऑफ द बैंक. ओके, सो मुद्रा का इनिशियल कॉर्पस कितना है? हियर इट वाज 20,000 crore एंड इट विल गारंटी अ क्रेडिट कॉर्पस ऑफ हाउ मच? 3,000 crores. ओके, सो यहाँ पे जो है यर इनिशियल कैपिटल जो है वो कितना चाहिए? इट इज़ लाइक इट इज़ 20,000 crore गारंटी विच इज़ गिवन. ओके, एंड दिस प्राइम मिनिस्टर मुद्रा बैंक जो है इट वाज लॉन्च बाय प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी. They launched this Mudra Bank. Okay, so the bank will reasonably for refinancing microfinancing institutions in the business of the lending of to small entities. Okay, तो ये जो है it will provide only finance to the small entities, while big industrial houses जो है they will provide job to 1.25 crore people. Okay, so when these industries get the finance, what will happen? They will automatically try to employ people, and when they try to employ the people, what will happen? The area will start developing. Okay, so बिग इंडस्ट्रीज क्या करते हैं? दे प्रोवाइड इंडस्ट्रीज हाउसेज जो है दे प्रोवाइड जॉब टू ओनली 1.25 crore पीपल, बट स्मॉल एंटरप्रेन्योर जो है हैव गिवन एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू नियरली 12 crore पीपल. सी what is the difference? So Mr. Modi said the postal network would be used for increasing the access to the formal finance system. Okay, so Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said that the Mudra Bank was set up in the right direction for funding the unfunded. जिनको पैसे नहीं है, जिनको फंड्स नहीं प्रोवाइड किए, उनके लिए मुद्रा बैंक will fund the people. Okay, so here Mudra Bank was mostly for the small entrepreneurs, okay, who don't get loan from the bank. Okay, so Mudra Bank was set up for what? Funding the unfunded. So it was proposed, he had proposed the Mudra Bank in the budget speech in February. Okay, so Mudra will be set up through the statutory enactment, and it will be responsible for developing and refinancing of microfinance institutions which are in the business of lending to micro and small business entities engaged in manufacturing, trading and service activities. Okay, so these are some of the activities that are taken by the small and micro business, and they will be getting the services of the Mudra Bank. Okay, so role of Mudra Bank. What are the following points that are included? That is, it will also partner with the state and regional level coordinators. Okay, so they will try to cooperate with these partners, that is state and regional level coordinators, to provide finance to the last mile financiers of small and micro business enterprises. Its proposed role includes laying down policy guidelines for micro enterprises, financing business, registration, accreditation and rating of MFI entities. Okay, so this is the first role. Second role is this, जो agency है, they will also lay down responsible financing practices to ward off overdebtedness and ensure proper client protection principle and methods to recover according to the official release. Okay, so this is the second one. Okay, now the third one is, I hope the picture is not so clear. So the third role is what? These measures are targeted towards mainstreaming young educated or skilled workers and entrepreneurs, including women entrepreneurs. Okay, women entrepreneurs जो है उनके लिए mostly this bank has been set up. Okay, that is the Mudra Bank. Next is, a vast part of non-corporate sector operates as a unregistered enterprise, and formal or institutional architectures has not been able to reach out to meet its financial requirement. So providing access to institutional finance to such micro, small and business unit enterprises will not help in improving the quality of the life of these entrepreneurs, but also turn them into strong instrument of GDP growth and employment generation. तो ये जो मुद्रा बैंक है, they not only will develop that entrepreneur by providing finance, but they will also make them strong so that they generate GDP income for the nation. Okay, now this मुद्रा बैंक जो है, ये जो मुद्रा बैंक है, it was set up, you all know, I just now I told you that it was set up under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana scheme. Okay, it provides its services to small entrepreneurs outside the service area of the regular banking using last mile agent. Okay, how it will provide? It will use last mile agents. Okay, so impact of Mudra Bank on economy, how it has impacted. Okay, most individual जो छोटे छोटे individuals है, so especially those living in rural and interior parts of the India have to be excluded from the benefits of formal banking system. Okay, जो हमारा formal banking system है उसके according they should not be provided loan. So here they have never accessed insurance, credit loans and other financial instruments. Okay, so ये कौन help करता है? This अगर उनको वो help हो गया, then what will happen? There will be growth in the micro business. So most individual depend on local money lenders for credit. Okay, तो ये अगर उनके पास banking services ही नहीं है तो क्या होगा? They will not understand what is the importance of insurance, क्रेडिट, कैश क्रेडिट्स, देन एडवांसेस, तो उनका फैसिलिटी उनको मिलेगी ही नहीं. सो व्हाट दे विल डू? दे विल टर्न अप टू लोकल क्रेडिट गिवर्स. ओके, so when loans are at a high interest and often with unbreathable conditions which poor unsuspected people fall in debt trap for generations. So ऐसा होता है कि दे टेक लोन फ्रॉम लोकल क्रेडिट पीपल. ओके, हु गिव लोन एंड ऑल, एंड उनका इंटरेस्ट रेट इतना ज़्यादा होता है कि दे फॉल इन द, उनको उधारी ज़्यादा हो जाती है एंड इट गोज टिल द जनरेशन. ओके, दे विल ओनली हैव टू पे द लोन अमाउंट. And when the businessman fails, the borrower becomes vulnerable to the lender's strong arm tactics and other forms of humiliation. So as per the National State Small Industrial Survey, okay, in 2013 there was a close of amount 5.77 small scale business units, mostly sole proprietorships, which undertake trading, manufacturing, retail and other small scale services company activities. Okay, so here compared to these organizations sector and larger companies that employ 1.225 crore individuals, clearly the potential to harness and nurture this micro business जो है is vast and the government recognizes this. Today this segment of unregulated and without financial support or cover from the organized financial banking system, so they have played a very important role over here. मुद्रा बैंक जो है उन्होंने बहुत important role play किया है. So there are some principles of मुद्रा बैंक. So let's check which are the principles of मुद्रा बैंक. So the first principle is, it includes the following principle: they will regulate the lenders and the borrowers of microfinance and bring stability to the microfinance system through regulation and inclusive participation. What they will do? They will regulate the lenders and the borrowers of microfinance. Okay, जो microfinance देते हैं और जिनको माइक्रो फाइनेंस चाहिए उनके बीच दे विल कीप अ ट्रैक. सो दे विल रेगुलेट द माइक्रो फाइनेंस सिस्टम. ओके, थ्रू रेगुलेशंस एंड इट विल आल्सो पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस प्रोसेस. Second one is, it will extend finance and credit support to microfinance institutions, that is MFI, and agencies that lend money to small businesses, retailers, self-help group and individuals. So they will try to provide finance and credit support to these financial institutions and agencies who provide loan to small business, retailers, self-help group and individuals. Third one is, it will register all microfinance institutions and introduce a system of performance rating and accreditation for the first time. Okay, so this will also help last mile borrower of the finance to evaluate and approach the microfinance institution that meets their requirement best and whose past record is more satisfactory. So this will also introduce an element of competitiveness among the microfinance institutions. The ultimate beneficiary will be the borrower. तो यहाँ पे वो लोग क्या करेंगे, they will rate the microfinance, जो परफॉर्मेंस अच्छे देते हैं माइक्रोफाइनेंस क्या करेगा, they will try to rate. ओके, तो रेटिंग्स देने से क्या होगा, they will have a good record. ओके, पास्ट रिकॉर्ड जो है वो गुड अच्छा रहेगा and this will have to give the competitiveness among the ultimate beneficiary जो है, they will try to have a competition. Next is provide structured guidance for the borrowers to follow to avoid failures of business or take corrective steps in time. Okay, so Mudra will help in laying down guidelines or acceptable procedure to be followed by the lenders to recover the money in case of default. Okay, next is develop a standardized conveyance that will form a backbone of the last mile business in future. Okay, so they will also try to develop a standardized conveyance. Okay, next is offer a credit guarantee scheme for providing guarantee to loan being offered to micro businesses. जो माइक्रो बिजनेसेस हैं, they will try to have a scheme. Okay, so that will provide guarantee of the loan that is offered to the micro businesses. Next is it will introduce appropriate technology to assist in process of efficient lending, borrowing and monitoring of distributed capital. So here ये जो है that it will also help to give the appropriate technologies and it will also help in assist to process a production at a very good phase. Okay, so let's revise what we have learned. So here ये जो मुद्रा बैंक है, it was launched under प्रधानमंत्री मुद्रा योजना. Okay, so here it is ये जो नॉन बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल कंपनी है and a part of SIDBI. Okay, so it was a combination of both, but later it became a separate bank. Okay, that was known as Mudra Bank. Okay, now this Mudra Bank जो है it was started with the aim of what, funding the unfunded. Okay, so here it will instill a confidence in the small entrepreneurs. So small business जो है they can avail loan up to ₹50,000. Okay, 50,000 तक loan they can provide. Business that are little bigger could avail loan up to 5 lakhs. Okay, the higher bracket of loan available with MSME sector would be up to 10 lakh. Okay, so ये जो है मुद्रा कार्ड will be given to them. Okay, which will provide credit of up to 20,000. मुद्रा कार्ड करके आएगा, so they will be provided that this thing card and they can avail this facility. So Mudra would also partner with the state, regional level or coordinators to provide finance at the last mile financer of the small and micro business enterprises. Now this was introduced in the budget of 2015-16. So the primary product of Mudra is what? मुद्रा का जो प्रोडक्ट है it is what, refinancing for lending to micro business and the units. Okay, the initial products are what? Shishu, it will cover loan up to ₹50,000. Kishore, it will cover the loan up to 50,000 to 5 lakh. Okay, and the third one is Tarun, that is it will cover loan up to 5 lakh to 10 lakhs. Okay, so मुद्रा का जो रोल है, what are the, I will explain it in simple words, that is मुद्रा का जो लोन है, first one is laying down the policy guidelines for micro. Now this Mudra will play an important role, that is laying down the policy guidelines for micro enterprise financing business and registration with MFI entities. Okay, that is microfinance institutions. so they will try to register also. Second one is accreditation rating of microfinance institution entities. Okay. Next is laying down responsible financing practices to ward off overdebtedness and ensure proper client protection principles and methods of recovery. Next is development of standard set of covenant governing last mile lending to micro enterprises. Next, promoting right technology solution for the last mile. Then formulating and running a credit guarantee scheme for providing guarantees to loan and portfolios being extended to micro enterprises. Next, support development and promotion activities in this sector. And the last one is creating a good architect for last mile credit delivery to micro businesses. Now this only 12.5 million people are employed in big corporates. Okay, but here if you see MSME sector, there are around 120 million people who are employed. Okay, so here ये जो scheme है मुद्रा बैंक, it was launched in the budget of 2015-16. ये याद रखना, it was launched in the budget of 2015-16. So here according to 2013 का जो सर्वे हुआ था, in that survey there was around 57.7 million business जो है, they were individual proprietors who run manufacturing, trading or service activities. So this includes small manufacturing units, shopkeepers, fruit vendors, vegetable vendors, truck and taxi operators, food service unit, repair shop machines operator, small industrial artisans, food processors, street vendors, among others. Okay, so most of these, they have their own account enterprise and owned by the people belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other backward classes. So the biggest bottleneck in the growth of entrepreneurship in this sector was lack of financial support. So for this purpose this Mudra Bank was launched. Okay, so this was the sixth developmental institution that was launched by the Indian government, that is under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Okay, so here it was for supporting the small entrepreneurs. In the next class we will see Bhartiya Mahila Bank.